What's missing from most tools, or what are the biggest things people aren't even aware of that they need to think about?
Cost is definitely very important. When you start at the free tier, everything looks great and rosy, and next tier is going to be like 25 a month, and then $50 a month, and then $70 a month. But if your business is growing and your automation is doing a lot of things, you will go to tens of thousands of actions per month, and you'll be spending hundreds of or thousands of dollars. Another thing, just look at the business policies. If you subscribe to an annual plan and then you just want to change it to go to somewhere else, are you going to be getting a refund if you cancel in the middle of your annual subscription? With most platforms, the answer is no. You will not be getting a refund, right? It's a fairly brutal business practice. Besides the cost, how easy is it to augment or extend the system with some customizations? You could be looking into a platform that has a lot of integrations, but you will be running into a scenario where you just want something to be done somewhat differently or do something extra that the platform does not do out of the box. So understanding how easy is it to extend the system with some customization is going to be very important, because very few systems will be giving you out of the box exactly what you need. Very few. Another thing to look into is how much control you can have over the system as time goes on. At some point, you just want to say, look, I don't want to have any dependency on somebody else's server and platform. I want to run it locally. I want to have 100% degree of control over my data and the process. The platform that I'm kind of marrying into, does it support a mode where I can run it locally on my machines in my data center? For a lot of platforms, the answer is no. If you look at Zapier and Make, you cannot run Zapier on your own servers. N8N and FlowRunner are probably the only exceptions to that rule. You can run N8N on your own machine. You can run FlowRunner on your own machine. And that's a huge advantage, because you will have complete control over everything with very few limitations.